Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by signing into accounts. Google.com, use your primary email and password. Once signed in, make sure two-step verification is ready, either your phone prompt or backup codes, because Google may require extra confirmation before edits. Next, go to Personal Info and locate the fields you need to update, such as name, contact phone, or recovery email. Do this now so changes are applied under the same secure session, and keep an eye out for verification prompts that appear after you save. Once you edit a field, click Save and prepare to verify. Google often sends an email or SMS code to confirm identity. You should enter that code immediately, otherwise the update may not take effect. Also, check your profile photo and recovery options. Updating a recovery phone or email prevents lockouts. While you're here, review connected apps and security to remove outdated access. This prevents forgotten devices or apps from interfering with sign-ins after your account changes. After saving and verifying, confirm the updates appear in your account dashboard and profile preview. This ensures propagation across services. Once done, sign out and sign back in on any important devices so they sync with the new details. If you encounter problems, like not receiving verification codes or being blocked, try the account recovery form, use previously saved backup codes, or contact Google support directly. A single troubleshooting tip: clear your browser cache and retry, because stale data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.